Imagine a rainy evening with thunderstorm. Write sentences about the state of the animals in your locality on such an evening. Natural calamities like thunderstorm pose a great threat to helpless animals. They all are afraid of lightning and thunder. They do feel helpless as they have no proper shelter to save themselves. That eventful day, the cats took shelter around houses of my locality. I saw two of the street dogs huddled under the shade, though birds were perching on trees. Even the squirrels hide inside the hollow of the tree. I gave them milk to drink. Also, I offered foods to birds and squirrels.